Hello everybody, I'm going to be unboxing the Ricoh 2. On the back it says SC2. Hopefully I keep it inside the camera. I got this new tripod I'm trying out. This is the unboxing video and maybe setup. It came just like this in the mail. Quick start guide. Just tells you to charge it. It's nice to give you a little QR code to scan to find the app for it. There's the app for iPhone, it looks like. Android is right here. You have to pause and zoom up on it if you want to look at it. And there's no instructions on the back. That's nice. Although this camera is very complex, I would expect some type of manual. Maybe it's further down. There's the device itself. I'm going to put it to the side until we examine everything that's in the box. A little bit of packing. Looks like a sleeve for it. We'll get to that at the end. Oh, here we go. A manual. That's it. It's in the box. Micro USB. Felt kind of big. I had to open it. Didn't quite understand why it was so heavy. It had a big brick on it. The manual. Quick user start guide. Another quick user start guide. Tells you all about it. Download the Tour app, and then it gives you another QR code to scan. If you want to see this, again, pause it, screenshot it, and zoom up with your 2 fingers. And all that's in different language. And you got no language yet. Important messages to customers. I'm sure this just means don't kill yourself using it. It's nice they don't use the back. That's it with that. Here's the device. Beautiful lens. Button right there. No button on the back side. A port to screw in your stuff. I'm going to use that, and it's going to extend it down so I can still use a charge cord. This was not included. This is just something that I'm playing around with. There's the indicator area. Nice. This side tells you a little bit about it. 5 volt, 5 watt. Vents on the top. I think that's for your microphone. Charge port again. There's a serial number. The back is really nice. It's very glossy. I didn't expect it to be glossy. Over here we have what model number it is, the mode, timer, Wi-Fi button, and on and off. It's kind of like a pearl white. It's beautiful. Looks like you're supposed to slide it in the round part up there. I think it also cleans the lens when you put it in, which is nice. you can almost have that always hooked up. And then when you're ready, you just pull it out. And it cleans the lens while it's in there. It's pretty nice. Again, this does not come with it. This is just a razor that I have. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's lightweight. You have to watch my setup video. Thanks for watching.